Her Aritzia pens, model Little Moo, okay, it's Little Moon, failed. I just call this her Obelix pens. No, she's not that large, but it's stripy like Obelix and Asterix. Just look it up. So most people do is take it back to Aritzia, complain, line up, whatever. I'm gonna just sew it back together. The seamsmanship is substandard. This is the pocket. This is no good. The waistline here, which is stretchy, is disintegrating here. Here is the draw cord. Here is the edge of the material. So this is no good. This needs to be stitched back together, and I can do this in 10 minutes, which sure beats arguing with Aritzia and wasting time with that. So 10 minutes versus lining up, emailing, complaining, whatever, parking somewhere. No, 10-minute job. I have here on the sewing machine white thread for this job, and because this is a stretchy material, I'm gonna select one of these stretchy programs, but not for the pocket. So let's start with the pocket first, just simple straight line. So let's set it to 1 or 2. How about 1? That's in the middle. Which way do we go? This way. Yeah, there we have it. Straight line sewing. Now the edges of this Obelix material is just fraying like this or unraveling itself. You don't want to just join them in a straight line. You want to double fold it first so that the edges are not exposed, and then start somewhere in a straight line and go with it, and thereabouts. And then go to the corner, turn around, and come back. I'm holding this double fold over with my hand, and so let's have a look at this thing. Here's my double overlap, so the edge is not exposed, not fraying. Nice. Is the stitching straight? No. Do I care about it in a pocket? No. So it's holding 10 out of 10. Yeah, I've seen straighter ones. Yeah, we're gonna go with 2 out of 5 on this one. It's better than the original. Yeah, 2 out of 5. Okay, let's fold everything together around this draw cord. This is gonna be a bit harder, fixing this waistline here. Now let's take a look at this hopeless situation here. It's not too bad actually. You can see that this elastic waistband is stitched to the Obelix here and this edge here everywhere, nicely and evenly. And it's also stitched on the underside here. So that's nice. So the elastic is staying in place. Now, on this Obelix material is simply folded over, and then this backing here needs to be flattened in a way that separates the draw cord from friction with the elastic. With this folded over and this attached to it, the whole thing is just sewn down like this. You can see that's exactly how it used to be, and it just failed from this pocket or this seam to the pocket that I fixed. So I have just this much to do. One straight line in a way that the straight line is going to be placed, it's going through the edge of the elastic, comes out on the other side of course, and it's stretchy stitching, very straightforward. We'll find the stretchy setting. How about long, short, how about medium stretch there, and straight, number 1, but not that one, this one. So we are looking good. We just need to fold everything and hold it together. Okay, I'm holding the first 10 centimeters or 4 inches of it together, folded exactly as the previous one, and I'm going in. Yeah, it's kind of hard to hold the phone and the material because I need to pull it with the other hand, the one holding the phone, but you see it's making progress here. Also, I'm coming up to this checkpoint where the draw cord is going through this slit, this eye hole here. So the same is going to repeat on this side there. So I'm going to have to make sure that it's really well aligned. Also, the separator is stitched down here to the edges of the slit where the draw cord goes through. So I have to make sure that the fabric and the belt, they don't slip sideways in relation to each other. Okay, so there's no tension in the material when I'm done sewing. Yeah, I'm lining up the rest of it here, folding under, getting the separator in place, and then holding it together like so, and then just keep going through. It's just about as much fun as operating a machine gun or a jackhammer or any kind of repetitive motion machine. All right, I'm at the pocket, end of the line. Let's see what happened here, how bad it is from the outside. Yeah, so I was trying to keep the green lined up without any kind of extra puckering, and yeah, just a little bit on an angle. Yeah, don't point it out to her, and it's, you know, the drawstrings work and everything. Hey baby, how much was this Aritzia Obelix?
$88 plus tax.
$88. All right, you got 10 minutes effort with this one, and good luck. How's it looking?
Hey, you fixed it. Thank you.
All right. Yeah, 10 minutes and yeah, $88. My decorated rear